Ah, right, okay. Don't think that's... Can you go... Ah, you can walk... It says Randolph Crescent, but can you walk down the side of the barn? I believe you can. Yes, you can. Randolph Crescent's up there. That's where I was the other day. Up there. There's a house that's sold up there, and I was looking to find a way down here, and it's all fenced off up there. And I wondered if it was private ground, but I think it's just probably just fenced off for safety. You know, it's that's the Bannockburn. It's just probably not good for the bairns to maybe end up stumbling down that hill. Probably why it's fenced off. Not to keep people out as such, because it's private property, but because it's... Yeah. It's... I suppose it'd be difficult to do something with that ground, wouldn't it? It's not... I don't know if you put a horse on it. Is it too steep for a horse? Probably. I need to get back home for my dinner. Suppose problem is, oh look at them. Problem with owning your own house, if it's got like this type of private road, is upkeep. Isn't it? When this was an industrial area, carpet, no, was it a kilt factory or something down here? Or clothing. So if you think about it in those terms, it's, I think I'm walking where all these people walked. Days gone by. We're all living in borrowed time. We just get loaned the environment. It's a right old building, eh? It's been overgrown. Let's have a look inside it. Jeez, that's a bit creepy, isn't it? Wow. Somebody's been drinking in here.